Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're noticing you're having a Steam permission error and that an error has occurred while installing any specific game that's missing file privileges. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I would suggest first opening up the Steam application if it's not already open, and select the Steam tab up at the top left corner of the application, and go ahead and select the settings option. Select downloads on the left side of this new window that appears, and then underneath content libraries, select the Steam library folders. So go ahead and left click on that. Whatever one is currently default, or whichever one you're having the problem with, to be honest, you want to go ahead and right click on it and then select repair library folder. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes, and give it a moment. I would suggest closing out of here and then restarting the Steam application at a minimum. Probably restarting your computer wouldn't be bad as well, and hopefully your issue should have been resolved at that point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.